Functional connectivity reveals correlated brain activity. But which structural pathways support this communication? The human brain contains multiple functionally correlated regions. Yet, the structural connectome may not provide direct anatomical connections for every functional correlation. Function-structure coupling, or FSC, explores all possible pathways through the structural network to identify the routes that best support the observed functional correlation. FSC can reveal indirect structural relay regions and identify the tractography streamlines most essential for functional relationships. Thank you for watching this demonstration. For methodological details, please refer to the publication From Nodes to Pathways, an edge-centric model of brain function-structure coupling via constrained Laplacians, published in Network Neuroscience 2026.